Hi, good evening to you both. Yeah, 29-year-old Julio Gil-Martinez is out on bond tonight, and he's also on paid administrative leave as this all plays out in court. At the same time, New London police are conducting an internal review of the whole case.
Your Honor, Family Relations is taking a referral on this matter.
A New London police officer, 29-year-old Julio Gil-Martinez, is now answering to domestic violence charges brought against him. The charges include threatening, assault, strangulation, unlawful restraint, and interfering with an emergency call. Gil-Martinez and his attorney didn't want to speak to reporters as they walked out of court. But a 10-page court document details a series of events leading up to this moment, involving a 2-month dating relationship between Gil-Martinez and a 20-year-old woman. In those documents, Gil-Martinez told officers they had a, quote, not always great relationship because he has some trust issues. The papers describe an incident in the early morning hours of November 14th at Gil-Martinez's apartment, where the two lived together. Originally, Gil-Martinez told officers his girlfriend, quote, stabbed him with a kitchen knife after he accused her of cheating. However, the woman told detectives the two got into a physical altercation where at one point, quote, the victim felt she couldn't breathe and thought she was going to die. The next day, officers were called to Gil-Martinez's apartment when they say he was making suicidal statements to a coworker. The report says he eventually told police the victim was only trying to help him.
I'm surprised.
New London neighbors are now trying to process what happened.
Being a police officer, you're supposed to protect everyone, not being violent.
Maybe they should go more in the background when they hire these officers, because we wouldn't really want someone protecting our streets and our kids when they're, in their own relationships, not really having the best.
Now, the New London police chief is responding to the arrest of one of his officers, saying in a statement, quote, please be assured that we take matters like this very seriously, and we are committed to addressing this matter with the highest level of intelligence. Now, back out here live, Gil-Martinez's bond was set at $75,000. He's due back in court in January. Of course, we'll update you as we learn more. For now, we are live in New London. Julia LeBlanc, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.